Use makeup remover to eliminate dirt, oil, and residual makeup. Wash the face with a facial cleanser. Then evenly apply toner. Saturate cotton pads with cuticle softener and apply them to the forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks. Remove the pads. Vacuum pen cleans impurities and excess sebum in the pores. Settings. Time, 5 minutes. Water flow adjustment. Adjust the flow rate to your preference by rotating the knob. Solution selection, B bottles. Suction adjustment. Adjust the suction level based on your tolerance. Press the handle onto the recipient's forehead and hold for 1 second. Gently rotate and lift the applicator and then move to the next spot. On the cheek, glide the handle from the chin towards the temple, repeating until the entire cheeks are covered. Shovel skin cleaning, enhance cleansing effectiveness. Settings. Time, 5 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, A. Glide the handle from the chin toward the edge of the cheek, wiping the treated area with a cotton pad throughout the procedure. Cleanse the face with a cleansing wipe. Prepare a bottle of normal saline. Insert the tip into the bottle mouth and hang the bottle and handle on the bracket. High water oxygen pen, inject nutrients and moisture into the skin. Settings. Time, 2 to 3 minutes. Glide the handle in circular motions from the chin toward the edge of the face. Ice hammer calms skin and shrinks pores. Gently apply serum to the face. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Glide the handle in circular motions from the chin toward the edge of the face. Apply a mask to the face. Oxygen injection pen, promote facial metabolism. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Mode, A. Use a stamping technique to treat the entire face. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, serum, and cream.